All right, let's look at two examples here. Both of these are going to require the law of sines, and we will deal with the ambiguous case as well. So first here we have sine 30 over 5 because the angle here is opposite the side. And that equals sine of c over 8. So we solve that by multiplying 8 times sine 30 over 5. And then we're going to go ahead, let me show you the work. Then we're going to go ahead and find the inverse of this. All right, let's type in the calculator and see what we get. Okay, so based on that, we get 53.1 degrees. So that will be the answer to angle C. If we complete this, we will also find angle B. So let's put that together. We have A is 30 degrees, and measure of angle C is 53.1. And then we get measure angle B by subtracting both of these from 180. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so we get angle B is 96.9. So that's case 1. Now there's a special rule that you can get the ratio, the same ratio, whether it's 53.1 or 180 minus 53.1. So let's go ahead and do that. And we get 126.9. So that's to say that if we found sine of 126.9, that would give you the same thing as sine of 53.1. That's why it works. Okay, so if that is the angle for C, then what would be the angle for B? So again, we're going to write measure angle A is 30 degrees. Measure angle C is 126.9. And again, you're going to subtract both of these from 180. And we get 23.1. All right, if you look at the angles in both these cases, there are no issues. So both of these cases work. And so we have two solutions. Okay, let's go on to example 2. Example 2, now we have 12 and 98 degrees. Again, using law of sines. And we have sine of A over 6. Again, we're going to multiply both sides by 6. And so we get 6 sine 98 over 12. And then we're going to again take the sine inverse. Okay, so you can look back here if you wanted to know why we did all these steps. Okay, let's type that into the calculator and see what we get. All right, this time we get that A is equal to 29.7 degrees. Okay, let's put these together. So we have A, we have B, and let's find measure of angle C. And we get 52.3. Okay, again, all these add up to 180. All right, again, this rule for measure of angle A means that we can look at the other case, which is 180 minus 29.7, which will give us 150.3 degrees. Okay, so that's measure of angle A. Again, measure of angle B is 98 degrees. That's what we had originally. But there's something wrong here. If you add these together, they are greater than 180. That's just not possible. So if you have two angles greater than 180, you don't have a triangle. So this is not going to be the second case. And in this problem, there is only one solution which is this set of A, B, and C. All right, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me a message.